Hi everyone, this is Deborah and I'm here again with a dilemma. I have all of these strips which are from the top of paper pads or the bottom of 12 by 12 sheets or whatever, and they're all thin. So what am I going to do with them all? I'm going to go away and whip something up and I'll come back and show you what I did with them. So what did I do with them? I took them to the sewing machine and I also took along a bunch of these cards. Now I have got a whole heap of these black and white cards, so I took the front off them and I've used that. You could use some scrapbooking paper or any other paper that you've got left, and I just sewed and crisscrossed them on top of the black and white. And now I'm just going to trim that down. You can see I've just alternated the angles slightly on things. I tried to make it a little bit random if I could. It's very hard, but that's what I've done with them, and that I think is a really nice base for working with. So let's just show you the others. So I've got some here. I haven't yet clipped these ones either. Just zigzag up and down with the strips. I also had ones that are different sizes and I've used the words as well. I don't think it matters that they're upside down. To me that just gives it some character. Here's another one here. So I've done 4 of them in about maybe 10 minutes worth of sewing. I've gotten 4 of them done, and some of the strips of paper on the bottom of your paper pads will actually have design on them. It's good if they've got that, but you can see I've used the one where the hole is. And we'll just clip these off, and now I've got 4 pieces of really nice background that I can use and put something on top of and use them in my journals. So I'm pretty happy with that idea. Plus I have used up my scraps of these thin pieces of paper. It doesn't have to be the ends or the tops of your 12 by 12 papers. You could do this with any thin scraps, and if you wanted to, you could even cut something thin. The other thing I did, which this is actually for a challenge, we had to use a card and I didn't have any greeting cards, so I used the black and white as the greeting cards, and we had to use scrap card and lace. So I've actually, with these ones, created some tags and I've put some lace on them, and I'll go on and I'll further embellish these. These will go into my embellishment folder for now, and then later on I'll probably end up putting some more things on top of them. This is really just a starting point to give you a nice base to work on. So I hope you enjoyed that little tip. This is Deborah and I will see you next time. Cheers.